Hello children, I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. This is St. Florence YouTube channel. Now today I am going to start a new chapter. This is an important chapter for CBSE student as well as ICSE student. Both the students are having. So both the students, CBSE and ICSE both, they have to pay a lot of attention on this chapter. First of all, arithmetical progression. I am going to explain the concept of this. If you understand all the different terms, it is a very different type of sums. If you know it is very well, if you don't know, please try to understand from the beginning all the terms. I'll explain what is A, D, N, L, all the terms you have to use. These you have to understand very well. In a common language, I'll say what is AP. I am writing just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I will say this is one term written, another one I am writing here 1, 5, 6, 11. Now I will say which one is AP and which is not AP. Just understand the example. Which is series, actually series. Which is AP series, which is not AP series. Now see here, first term what is here? 2. Second term what is? 4. Third term 6, then 8. Here what is the first term? 1. And second term what is? 4, 5. Then 6, then 11. Now the second minus first. What is coming? 4 minus 2. Difference is 2. Okay. 6 minus 4. What is the difference? 2. 8 minus 6. What is the difference? 2. 10 minus 8. What is the difference? 2. Whenever I will subtract from the previous to the first term, difference is coming same. Everywhere is coming 2. In the first series, all difference is 2. Any two terms take, any two does not mean from here and here, not. Consecutive two terms you take. Take these two, find the difference. Difference not from first to second, from last to previous one. 10 minus 8, 2 is coming. Here difference is coming same children. So this is an AP series. This is called AP. Now here check 5 minus 1. What is coming? 4. 6 minus 5. Here is coming 4. Here is coming 1. Here is coming 5. Difference is not same. Here what happened? Their difference 2, their difference 2, their difference 2, their difference 2. Here difference is same. So it is an AP series. Here difference is not same. So this is not an AP series. This is not an AP series. I think basic things is clear. A constant value should be added in each term to go to find the next term. What is the constant value? Here 2. Again 10 add 2, 12 come. 12 add 2, 14 come. 14 add 2, 16 come. Like this I will go. So AP series means common difference is same. This is clear I think. If common difference is not same, that is not an AP series. Idea is clear? AP series what is? AP series means any series whose common difference is same. So I have to write this much. Now the first one, what is said? First term is called A. A I can say, first term. Okay, first term is called A. So first you understand what is AP series. What is AP? Understand? Arithmetical progression. The arithmetical progression you understand? Or write AP series better here. Right? AP arithmetical progression you understand. Okay children. Next what I explained, first term, common difference, last term, number of terms. This is very important. What is the first term here? First term is called A. This is called first term. Common difference what is? Common difference is said to be D. Common difference said to be D. Clear? The first term is A. Sometimes they said A also, A1 I also can say. First term. And second term minus first term, that is called common difference. That is D. Number of terms. Number of terms n. Let series this much. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then n should be 5. Series should be finite. We are learning finite series. Finite means what? It must end. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It might be end at 20. Might be end at 30. But it should end. Okay, children? It should be end. So first term is clear. What is said to be small a or a1? What is the common difference said? D. And number of terms is said to be n. And the last term is said to be an or it is said to be l. Last term what is said to be an. An is last term. And l also we can say l means last term. So these terms should be clear while doing the sums. Don't ask me, sir, what is L? What is D? Not that. This must be clear at the beginning stage. Then we can understand the sum. Very basic thing. I think already you know. If you know, it is very okay. The children who does not know anything, please try to understand from the beginning stage. So A, D, N, A, N is clear to you. A, N means last term, or also it is said to be L. I think I am able to explain all this. First term explained already, common difference, last terms and number of terms. Nth term. Nth term means last term. Nth term of a finite series. Always I say to find the nth term. Okay, nth term. The nth term, what is the formula? Formula I am writing here. An. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 d. Formula clear, children? First formula. An. It is also said sometime Tn or An or Tn both are same. In some book you find An written, in some book find Tn written, both are same. An, what is A plus n minus 1d? What is A? A is the first term. What is n? Number of terms. And what is D? Common difference. Clear? So A plus n minus 1d. This is the nth term formula. So this I am writing A and written. Okay. Now next I want to explain the middle term. What is middle term? So why are you using this? Let one series is given. 2, 4, 6, 8 is given. I told you find the 25th series. What is the number? 25th number. What is the value? Once when equal to 25, what is the value? Then what to do? You will write 25 times. No, simply use the formula. How to use? First term is A is 2, common difference what is, my children? 4 minus 2 means 2, n is 25. So place here, A is 2, 25 minus 1 and D what is 2. So 2 plus 24, 48, so term is 50. So A25, what I got here? A25 value what is? 50. So this formula later on we have to use nicely. So this formula you should remember. I will write all the formula together to understand. Let me explain as first all this. Okay. So you have understood nth term from the end of finite AP. Nth term means last term. Then we have to come to middle term. What is middle term, children? Let term is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This much term is given. I told find the middle term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more thing, 14. So number of terms, what is, children? Number of terms is here 7. So middle mean easily I can say leave these 3, this is called middle term. So formula what is? Middle term, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2. N is here 7. N is here 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2. So coming fourth term. Fourth term is middle term. Fourth means first, second, third, fourth is coming. So you say I shall count and write. No. If lot of numbers is given, like 1000 numbers is given, then say middle term find out. then actually you have to use the formula. So n, if it is odd, this is very important. If it is odd, so n plus 1 by 2, middle term will come. N plus 1 by 2, that is the middle term. But if it is given, let 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and 12, this much is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is here 6. So that is even. Then how to find the middle term? I cannot say 6 is middle term. I cannot say 8 is middle term. That time these two middle terms are there. So how to find when n is given? So n by 2. First one is n by 2 term and n by 2 plus 1 term. That means whenever 6 number of terms is 6, that is even. So 6 plus 6 by 2, what is coming? Third, first, second, third, this one. And 6 by 2 plus 1, 4. So this is your term. So there are two terms, 6 and 8 is the middle term. Understood, children? So you think clear? While doing sums, I explain you. This is just basic things I am giving you. So middle term, I think you are clear. Okay? Then we are coming numbers in an AP. Numbers in an AP. That means I'll say take 3 numbers. Here ABC I cannot take. Then we cannot do sums. What I take? I take 3 numbers take. Say A minus D, A and A plus D. What is the 3 terms? A minus D, A and D, A plus D. A what is? First term you know. And D what is? Common difference. This is the A first term. A plus D. D we are adding. We are getting the next term. So previous of this term A minus D. So whenever required to take 3 terms of AP, I have to write like this. Whenever required to write 4 terms of AP, when I have to use? While doing sums, you understand that one. 4 terms, how to write? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus 3D. When I take 5 terms of AP, generally it is not required, maximum this and this required, but still you should know. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. For 5 terms of AP. So what I explained you, first what is AP idea I have given to you? A, D, N, A, N. This is term is used in sums that you have understood. Middle term, how to find n by 2, and if it is odd, n by 2 or n by 2 plus 1 if it is even. Then I explain middle term, then I explain these terms you have to take that depend on sums when 3 terms are unknown. What 3 terms you will take? A minus D, A and A plus D. So these you have to do. Now we have to know the formula first. What is the formula while doing sums? See here. Formula I am writing here. This is required mostly here. Formula. For AN, what is the formula? A plus N minus 1 D. Main thing is this. This is the formula. This is just concept I have given you. So for this first formula, AN, this is the formula. Now later we will understand sum of terms. Not now, but later on. What is the sum of terms formula? That is Sn. What is n by 2? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This I can write another way. You have to understand. N by 2 I will write here. 2a means I can write a plus a. N minus 1 d I can say. This means what? This means actually an. So in another way I can say n by 2 a plus an. This is the another way. This way I have to use and this way also you have to use whenever which one is required. So first term what is? How to find an, how to find Sn. Clear children? The third we have to use for any 3 terms. For any 3 terms A, B, C. What is the condition? Twice B equal to A plus C. How it is coming? You have to understand. Let terms is there 2, 4, 6, 8. Dot, 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 dot. If these 3 I will take. Twice of this, what is 12? 4 plus 8, what is 12? So 2B equal to A plus C. If it is AP series, this you have to use. So generally you have to remember, I think for class 10, these three formulas and all these things you have to remember for class 10. For 11, 12, more you have to know about this. So this three formula is given to find any terms, find the sum for any three terms ABC, 2b equal to a plus c. These three formula generally you have to use while doing the sums. I think clear, children? So these particular things, whatever I explained you, have to read two, 3, 4 times, have to understand well while doing sums. Formula again I explained you. In the first part, the idea I got, some confusion also there to you. Don't worry, while doing sums, once more I explain you. All the basic things I have given in this particular video, so that you can understand, you get some idea about AP. The next video what I will do, I start sums, then formula again I have to repeat with you, then again you have to understand very well. So for today, goodbye.